Hey there, ever thought words could create art? Get ready to be amazed as we dive into the world of special words and see how they bring illustrations to life with Illustrate AI. Check out this list of lesser-known words that'll spark your creativity and help you craft some seriously cool illustrations. Let's dive in. On the left, discover each special word with its description. We'll pair them with unique art styles and prompts. And on the right, witness the magic as Illustrate AI brings these words to life in stunning illustrations.